Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is to teach you how to solve 4x4 Sudoku puzzle. It is the easy one and simplest to start with. Sudoku is of three types: 4x4, 6x6 and 9x9. So students, today we are going to learn how to solve 4x4 Sudoku puzzle. So let's get started. This is our 4x4 Sudoku puzzle. Now, how to solve it? What are the rules? So let's learn its rules. First, there are horizontal lines 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 horizontal lines and 4 vertical lines 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 horizontal lines and 4 vertical lines, and rules are: rule 1 is very basic, that is, this is the column and this is row, you all know that, and these two lines which are intersecting at 90-degree angle, it forms a house. So here are 4 houses. Fine. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here are 4 houses. So we can write numbers from 1 to 4 only, and no one number can be repeated. Like in this column, 2 is already written. So in this column 2 will not be repeated again. Same in this row, 2 is written, so we can't repeat 2 again in this row. Same in this way, I cannot repeat the 2 in this house also, because 2 is already written. So that means we can't repeat a number in a row or in a column or in a house. Fine. So no number can be repeated. Now same for 4, 3 and 1. We can't repeat these numbers which are already written in the house or in the row or in the column. So these were the rules. Now let's try to solve it. We start with 1 only. This one is in this row, so we can't repeat 1 in this row, and here 2 is already written. So we are left with 1 block only, because blocks are already covered with 2. Fine. So we are left with 1 block only, so that means 1 will come here. So we will write 1 here. Fine. Now let's see 2. So we know that 1 is already written here, 2 is already written here. So that means in this row we can't repeat 1 or 2. And if we see this column, so 4 is already written here. That means 4 covers this column, right? So that means 4 covers this column. We can't repeat 4 again. So that means 4 is to be written here. 4 is to be written here, and what will come here? Yes, so we have 1, 2 and 4, so we can write 3 here. So with this our 1 row is complete. Now we have in this house we have 3 numbers, that is 1, 4 and 3, and we are left with 2 only, so we can write 2 here. Fine. So with this our 1 house is complete. Now with this, in this column we have 1 block left, and we have 2, 3 and 4 already written, so that means 1 will come here. Fine. Now in this house we can see here we have 1 and 4, so that means we need 2 and 3. Now let's see these 2 blocks, and we need 2 and 3, right? So but we know 3 is already written here, and this row is covered with the 3, so that means we can't write 3 again. Fine. So what will come here? 2 will come here, and we are left with 1 block, and 3 will come here. Fine. So with this we have completed 2 houses. Now let's come down. We have 1, 2 and 3, and in this block we can write 4. Fine. Now In this row we have 3 and 4 and we need to write 1 and 2, right? But we know 2 is completing this column and 1 is covering this column, so that means we can write 1 here and 2 here. So with this our third house is also complete. Now the last one, we have 1, 2 and we need to write 3 and 4, and we know that we need in this column we need 3 and in this column we need 4. So 3 will come here and 4 will come here. So with this our puzzle is solved. As you can see, we have not repeated any number in any column or any row or any house. Fine. We have not repeated any number anywhere. So this was the basic one. I hope you enjoyed solving this. Now I'm going to give you one puzzle and you have to solve it. Okay. So here are two Sudco puzzles, that is 4x4, and you have to solve this. And if you will be able to solve this, you will be able to solve 6x6 also. In this you have to write numbers from 1 to 6 and the rules are same as you have followed the 4x4 puzzle. So all the best my dear students, solve this 6x6 Sudco puzzle also and keep learning, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.